Hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can track or watch every commercial plane in the sky live with the accurate updates. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have. You can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now, here you have to search for Flight Radar 24. Just simply search it simply and open the first website that appear right in front of you. And once it gets open, here you can see, let it gets open. It may take some time, and you can see all the commercial flights that are flying all over the world. You can spot all of them right here. And if you tap any of the flight, it will tell you the detailed statistics about that particular flight, even the route of the same as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.